Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to rebrand the PLR products if you want to sell them on your website. Now PLR stands for private label rights, so which means is that the product has copyright. So you cannot sell it with the same name and the same description, otherwise you'll get sued for copyright violation. So let's say you want to sell an ebook that has copyrights. You want to go ahead to your products and add a new product. And you don't want to copy the same title from the website that has the book, but rephrase the title, rephrase the description, and in the media add photos or get screenshots that are not on the store that sells the book. And now add the category. For the price, it's okay, you can enter whatever price that you want, and the quantities is okay too. The shipping, if it's a digital product, you can uncheck that. This is a digital product, not a physical product. If it's a physical product, go ahead and add the weight and add the variance if you want. Now, as I told you before, the most important thing is to not copy the exact title and description and media. Otherwise, you can get caught and get sued for copyright violation. You can rephrase the title to make it like as it's the same, but with another method, with another written in another way, as well as a description and for the media as well. So do not copy the exact same title, description, and media of the PLR product.